Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through a straightforward process that can make a huge difference for your website. We're going to learn how to make your Wix website truly mobile-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give visitors a smooth, easy, and appealing experience when they check out your site from their phones. So, if you want your Wix website to look polished and inviting on any mobile device, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Wix website in the editor. If you haven't logged in yet, just head over to wix.com, go to My Sites, and select the one you want to work on. Now, inside the website editor, we're looking at the desktop view. That's the default. But we know that most people scroll the web on their phones these days, so let's switch gears. Direct your attention to the top left corner of the editor. You'll see an option that says Switch to Mobile. Go ahead and click that. It's a simple step, but think of it as flipping your design over to see how things look from your visitor's most common perspective. Once you're in mobile view, the editor gives you a simulation of your site the way it would appear on a typical smartphone screen. This is key because elements that look perfect on a wide monitor can appear crowded, misaligned, or just plain awkward on a mobile device. Take a look over everything. Navigate through your pages and notice how texts, images, buttons, and menus arrange themselves. Sometimes you'll see that text overlaps with images, or buttons might be a little too small to tap comfortably. That's where we step in to make improvements. Editing your mobile design is intuitive with Wix. You can change fonts to something that's easier to read at smaller sizes, tweak colors for better contrast, and even add borders or extra padding. For example, adding a little padding around sections can keep things from feeling squished, just like how you'd space items out on a dinner table to make it easy for guests to reach what they need. If your mobile background is a bit harsh or your links blend in too much, adjusting colors makes everything pop. Think friendly and accessible, like inviting someone into a warm, well-lit room. A gentle tip here: don't hesitate to experiment. You might find that a lighter font or pastel background feels more inviting for mobile users. Just remember, less is often more, and keeping things simple helps people focus on your content without distractions. Try tapping through every menu and section yourself as if you were an ordinary visitor. This can help you spot issues before your audience does. Once you're happy with your mobile edits, maybe you've changed a couple of fonts, swapped some colors, and spaced out the important buttons, that's it. Wix saves your changes automatically, and you're now offering a much better experience for people who come to your site from mobile devices. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right. The design process is all about testing and refining, so take your time to make it look and feel just right. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Wix website mobile-friendly. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or hit any tricky spots. I'm always here to help, and if you want more easy tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.